Hello, good morning. Today I am going to cook the kidney beans curry or the Rajma curry. Kidney beans are the good beans. It is a good source of protein. What I have done is that I have soaked it overnight and for about 8 to 10 hours, and then in the morning I have pressure cooked it, boiled it. Like it takes about 15 to 20 minutes to cook. So here I can show you that I have already taken out from the cooker. This is the kidney beans. I have kept the water of the kidney beans aside because we will be using that for our curry. We have one big onion or about 150 grams of fine chopped onion. We have ginger garlic paste. We have 3 or 4 tomato paste. We have couple of half green chili. I will be using asafoetida. I will be using the cumin powder. I will be using the coriander powder, the turmeric powder, chili powder, and the garam masala. So these are the things which I am going to use in the first phase. And during the second phase, I am going to, when it is cooked, I will be adding more ingredients to it to make it really good. I am going to start with adding a little bit of butter, about 1 teaspoon, and I am also going to add 2 teaspoons of oil to it. Let it warm up. Add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. When it begins to splutter, I'm going to add onion. Make sure you caramelize the onion to light golden brown color. Don't overcook it, don't get it burnt. Once it's get brown, at this point I am going to add the ginger garlic paste and the green chili. I'm going to saute everything for 3 minutes till the raw smell of garlic goes away. At this point, the onion, garlic and ginger are cooked well. The raw smell is gone. I'm going to add the tomato puree and let it cook till the tomatoes are soft. So the tomatoes are melted well. At this point, I am going to add all the dry spices. That would be, if you want it to be hot, you can add more chili, but I will be adding very little chili powder, 3 teaspoons of coriander powder, half teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder. I am going to add 2 teaspoons of garam masala, and I am going to add a little bit of asafoetida. Going to mix it well I will wait till the oil separates. At this point I am going to add the kidney beans. Mix it well. I will cook it for about 2 or 3 minutes. Then I will add At this point I am going to add the leftover water from the kidney beans. Make sure you don't add too much of that because we don't want the gravy to be too watery. It should be thick. But what I am going to do, I am going to add a little bit more and let it simmer and cook for 10 to 12 minutes. So everything will be blended well. Make sure you cook on the sim for 10 to 12 minutes and cover it. Open the lid and make sure it is being cooked well. It's not sticking to the bottom of the cooking pan. The gravy has thickened. I will let it wait for another 1 or 2 minutes would be enough because this is the gravy I need. So I will wait for another 2 or 3 minutes. Now I will get the lid uncovered and let it cook in open fire for 2 minutes. So this is done. At this point, while it is still boiling, I am going to add some fenugreek leaves. These are the dried fenugreek leaves, crushed. I will crush it with my hand so that it becomes some of them becomes the powder. It gives extra flavor. Also, I am going to add 1 teaspoon of cream, heavy cream. Mix it well. And at this point, one thing which I have not forgotten to mention is that I am going to add the salt. I think you should add a little bit less salt, taste it and then can add it. But I think this amount of salt would be enough. This is the traditional way of making the kidney beans curry. But I am going to add one more procedure which I am going to show you in few seconds. So let it cook for 4 minutes. This we call as giving a smoky flavor to the cooked kidney beans. I am going to burn a piece of charcoal in the fire. I will let it burn. Keep that in a small container. I am going to add few drops of oil and let it cover so that the smoke will be retained inside. I am going to open the lid in 2 or 3 minutes till it gets the smoky flavor. I am going to open the lid. The smoke is there. It is done. You can easily smell it. It gives a very good smoky flavor. I am going to remove this container from the middle and want to mix it well one more time. And now your the kidney beans curry is ready. You can serve it with simple rice or the cumin rice or the matar pulao, or you can serve it with some rotis, Indian bread.